interest of 123 crores paid while getting that land back is a sizable amount which will go from the government treasury. Even fixed deposit does not give you this interest. Even I brought to the notice of the tourism minister about that beach cleaning. They have given on, I don't know how finance agreed. I can understand tourism department is one purpose, but it has to go to the finance. How you can give under FR 184 for 2 years without tender? Yet वर्ष पहिले केल्ले hot mix road सुद्धा होतात. What is the reason? Is it not wasteful expenditure, Speaker sir? It is the responsibility of the finance minister to check. GSIDC projects are getting delayed. I think there you have to see how fast projects are being completed. This type of wasteful expenditure, investments which are blocked, which cannot fetch any revenue to the municipal council.
प्रत्येक एक्सपेंडिचर जो करता बाय एनी डिपार्टमेंट म्हणटलो कदाचित थोडोसो तो एक्सेस करता आसतलो. इट इज नॉट वेस्ट. आनी स्टेटीक 15 फायनान्स कमिशना कडेन कदाचित इन द मंथ ऑफ एंडिंग ऑफ द ऑगस्ट 15 फायनान्स कमिशन हे डिस्कशना खातीर स्टेटीनी येवपाचें आसा. इट इज एन सेंट्रल टॅक्सीस वीच इज एन इनकम टॅक्स कस्टम ड्युटीज हाजो शेअर आमकां परत एकदां स्टेट शेअर म्हणून सेंट्रला कडल्यान सेपरेटली मेळटा.